Hi, my name is Luba, and I've been receiving data science mentorship from SciData, specifically from lovely Nirja. So, if you're anything like me, recent graduate, first foot into industry, and you're applying to hundreds of data science jobs, but you're only noticing those description of years of experience for the entry-level jobs jump from 0 to 7 years plus, mentorship may be right for you. When I graduated from school, I thought I'm set because I have a degree in data science, and as well as some industry experience from a very good school and from a very cool company. However, that is not enough. And so I've been throwing my resume out there into the world and hearing nothing back. And so this is what life without mentorship looks like. Navigating blindfolded, looking for an exit of, this misery of not hearing back from potential employers. I believe that mentorship, especially from people who, such as SciData, Nirja has about 12 years more of experience. She saw how the market have evolved. She saw how data science evolved, and her input is very valuable to me. Not only did she help me plan a career trajectory, which is instead of focusing on applying for directly data science jobs, which are reserved typically for people with a lot more experience, start with data analyst roles. And it's something that I thought I could get around doing, given that I felt qualified for these roles that I wasn't getting. And so she helped me plan a career trajectory, and she also gave me protocols that I could institute right away into my life on improving myself as an applicant. And also, she gave me advice on how to improve my GitHub, for example, which is part of being a very strong applicant. Have a strong portfolio, show that you could code. Although this advice could seem maybe almost obvious to maybe some people, it's the protocol that she prescribes, which I believe is very helpful. It wasn't obvious to me of what I should be doing with my time because I felt very overwhelmed, and I was very much so responding to any advice I got, and at times it was contradictory. So to have someone who has wisdom and knowledge, it's very reassuring to get guided